Once upon a time, in a quiet town, there lived a boy named Aro who loved his mobile phone more than anything else. From the moment he woke up until he went to sleep, his eyes were fixed on the screen. He played games, watched videos, and chatted with friends all day long. Slowly, he stopped going out to play, ignored his parents, and even lost interest in studies. Aro's parents were worried. They tried talking to him, taking the phone away, and even offering new toys, but nothing worked. Aro would cry, get angry, or just wait until he got the phone back. His health began to suffer. His eyes hurt. He couldn't sleep well and he often felt tired and lazy. One evening, while Aro was playing a game on his phone, there was a power cut. The house went dark and his phone battery soon died. With nothing else to do, Aro sat near the window, bored and frustrated. Just then he saw something strange, a soft light flickering in the park nearby. Curious, he stepped out for the first time in many days. When he reached the park, he saw a group of children laughing and playing under the moonlight. A kind old man, Mr. Raman, was sitting on a bench watching them. Aro sat beside him. Why are they so happy without phones? He asked. Mr. Raman smiled and said, that's because they have discovered the magic hour. Magic hour? Aro asked, puzzled. Yes, Mr. Raman said. It's the 1 hour every day when they switch off all screens and enjoy life in real world. They play, talk, laugh and connect with each other. They don't need Wi-Fi for happiness. Aro thought for a moment and asked, can I join them? Of course, said Mr. Raman. Aro joined the games, ran barefoot on the grass and laughed louder than he had in months. He made new friends, told stories and even started playing cricket again. That night he slept peacefully for the first time in weeks. From the next day, Aro began his own magic hour every evening. Slowly he started reducing his screen time. He kept his phone away while studying, playing and eating. His health improved, his marks got better and most importantly he became happier. His parents were amazed by the change. They joined him in the magic hour and soon the whole family started spending more time together without screens. Aro still used his phone but only when needed. He had learned to control it instead of letting it control him. Moral of the story is technology is useful but too much of anything is harmful. Real happiness lies in balance. Enjoy the magic of the world around you, not just the one on screen.